Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe. Today I'm going to discussion about what are the factors of domestic violence, and before going to factors, let's discuss about what is domestic violence. Domestic violence is a violent or aggressive behavior within a family or home by abuser, and the abuser is maybe the spouse or partner. Violence can be cause physical injury as well as psychological harm, and because of the violence, mainly the children are the victims, and because they see violence happening and it affects them a lot. Violence can be happen because of the several factors. First and foremost factor is substance abuse. Because of substance abuse, there are many domestic violence happens in India. Report says that alcohol use can be a factor by two-thirds of domestic abuse victim. Moderate drinkers are more frequently engaged in domestic violence than lighter drinkers. So, because of domestic use, because of substance use, the domestic violence increasing day by day. So, there need to be do something in substance uses. Second one is there are many psychological factors. Psychological factors may be the burst of anger, poor self-esteem, poor emotional control, and poor impulse control. These are the factors which cause to domestic violence. And there are many mental stigma that women need to be controlled by men. This can be also reason for domestic violence. And because of poor self-esteem, because of the low self-esteem, people often try to show their power by exerting violence on their partners. And self-confidence can be developed and help an individual to deal effectively in their life. Extremely jealous or being jealous to their partner also contributing informing a violent nature towards in order to make themselves believe that they're not inferior. So coping with emotion can lead towards a positive impact on individual life. Then another is they difficulties in regulating anger. People themselves they have poor anger management skill, and because of that they're making this poor anger management making themselves too more violent towards their partner. So anger management can be a life skill and it can be taught to everyone. Then was socio-economic factors. Socio-economic means unemployment. People often end up distress and frustration due to unemployment, and this can lead to violence as a form of defense mechanism. Defense to ventilate their frustration. Like the poverty, unemployment, and corruption, the violence against women is the main problem in India, and it can be stopped. And thank you for watching my channel.